A year for prosecutors to file charges in a car crash that killed a woman and a baby in Montcalm County.
The delay was due in part to an oversight at the Attorney General's office. Now, the AG is making a change to ensure that doesn't happen again.
Target 8 investigator Susan Samples has been following this case and has an update tonight. Susan?
The accident happened 14 months ago in early January last year. State police say 27-year-old Brian Wayne Johnson of Cedar Springs rear-ended a car that was stopped on M46 waiting to turn left onto Amble Road. That's northeast of Howard City. The crash killed two people in the car that was rear-ended, 18-year-old Samantha Baker and her 9-month-old niece, Anna Lee Baker. When Johnson finally goes to court this April, 15 months will have passed since the crash, a delay that has frustrated the victim's devastated family. One reason for the holdup, prosecutors asked for another county to take the case because an assistant prosecutor in Montcalm, where the crash happened, is distantly related to the victim's family. The problem, that request for a special prosecutor made in July, 6 months after the crash, then sat unnoticed in the AG's general email for more than 3 months until October, when a Greenville Daily News reporter asked for an update on the case. It was only then that the AG realized the request was sitting there. In late October, the Attorney General finally assigned the case to Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker, and charges were filed in December. The AG's office said Dana Nessel was, quote, deeply troubled by the breakdown in communication, and to ensure it never happens again, her office has created a new dedicated email address to exclusively receive those special prosecutor requests. The AG is responsible for handing out those cases. Meanwhile, the court date for Brian Wayne Johnson was recently pushed back to April 3rd. He was charged with misdemeanor moving violation causing death, which carries upon conviction up to 1 year in jail and a 1-year license suspension. Prosecutor Becker said by law that's the only appropriate charge here because Johnson did not have alcohol or drugs in his system, and his phone showed he was not texting or calling at the time of the crash. Live in studio control, Susan Samples, back to you.